Hello, I'm Chris. If you occasionally make the mistake of selecting fourth gear instead of second, then this video's for you. This mistake normally makes the car stall. Today, we're going to focus on how to change from third to second gear and avoid fourth. If you want to know how to change through all the gears, then have a look at our other video. There's a link in the description below. Now, the reason why you might change to fourth gear by accident instead of second could be because you're braking late, panicking, and rushing the gear change. Easy to sort out though. Try slowing down a little earlier and calmly change to second. But for some, it's how they change gear that's the problem. This video is all about technique, and I've seen a few different ways to change gear. Some more consistently successful than others. I'm going to show you the best I've seen. It's called the palming method, and it's actually quite easy when you get used to it. The gear lever is currently in neutral. It's this point on the diagram. Now, it's important to remember that the gear lever is spring loaded, which means that if I push it left or right, it always springs back to this point, just below third. This video is all about changing from third to second, so let's start the demonstration in third. To change to second and avoid fourth, I'll position my palm facing away from me, my thumb pointing down, as I will need to push against the spring in a moment to avoid fourth. I'll gently move it back a little to neutral, then left, and backwards to second. Now, the important part was my hand position, which was preventing it from going into fourth gear by accident. To go back to third, I'll change my hand position so that my palm is facing me, and my thumb is pointing up. This time I want it to spring to neutral, and my hand position allows it to happen more easily. Now I'll push forward gently, it springs to neutral, and I'll push it forward to third. Bear in mind I'm not forcing it, I'm pushing forward, letting it spring to neutral, and then forward again. Let's try second again. Don't forget, it's all about the hand position. Palm facing away from me as I'll need to push against the spring to avoid fourth. Now push back gently to neutral, but not too hard, or otherwise it will go into fourth. Now to the left, and backwards to second. Always remember to be gentle, and don't force it. Change back to third. Very gentle grip, palm facing me, push forward, let it spring to neutral, then push forward again to third. Another way to avoid fourth gear, which you might prefer, is to constantly, lightly push the gear lever to the left as you change down to second. I'll show you it again. The constant light pressure to the left helps avoid fourth gear, but remember, only light pressure needed. When is the best time to change gear on a roundabout? Watch this video next if you're unsure. Thanks a lot for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.